Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, employees of Rollshop of Cell Rourkela Steel Plant adopt web-based learning during lockdown period. And intensive sensitization cum sanitization drive continues at the entry point of Cell RSP to prevent spread of COVID-19. Now the news in details. Due to the coronavirus pandemic, social distancing, work from home and online learning are becoming part of life. Keeping pace with this development, employees of Cell Rourkela Steel Plant RSP are also working out and adopting new methods to keep learning and honing their skills, maintaining the norms of social distancing and work from home. One such employee engagement initiative has been put in place by the Rollshop department. A team from the department comprising Mr. R.C. Gowda, SOST, Mr. D.D. Sutar, SOST, and some new trainees of Rollshop led by Mr. M.R. Maharana, AGM, and Mr. Subrat Kanungo, DGM, Rollshop, has developed a new platform based on Google Drive to make the employees aware about the standard operating practice and standard maintenance practice. Besides, provisions are there in platform to carry out online knowledge test of the employee. The extracts of the key technical documents were rewritten in Google document and forms were designed for providing links to the document to employee through social networking site like Telegram and WhatsApp. This has allowed the employees to learn from home during lockdown period. The employee also appeared test to measure the effectiveness of learning. The team has also prepared a short film on this concept so as to reach out to more number of employees and enhancing the effectiveness of the learning platform. The on-screen role were enacted by Mr. Sukesh Kumar and Mr. Harish Kumar Chandrakar, while the off-screen activities like camera, editing and sound mixing were done by Mr. R.C. Gowda and Mr. D.D. Sutar. The concept was conceived and implemented by Mr. Kartikeya Behera, GM in charge, Rollshop.
क्या कर रहा है?
अरे हाय,
कौन सा ड्यूटी है?
आज तो मेरा वर्क फ्रॉम होम है।
हमारा भी वर्क फ्रॉम होम है।
अच्छा,
क्या करेगा?
आज तो मेरा बहुत काम है यार। एसओपी पढ़ना है, एसएमपी पढ़ना है और अपना कॉम्पिटेंसी टेस्ट भी देना है उसका।
अच्छा,
अरे आओ ना यार, अंदर आओ।
क्या सब ये संगीत पढ़ रहे हो भाई? हमें भी दिखा।
अरे रुको रुको,
क्या हो गया?
कोरोना चल रहा है ना, सैनिटाइज करो हाथ को।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
ना ना ना।
तो ये सब भी तो डिपार्टमेंट में रहता है, आपको कहाँ से मिल गया?
हाँ, डिपार्टमेंट में ही रहता है,
अच्छा,
बट ये डिपार्टमेंट अपना रोलशॉप ये मोबाइल पे भी लिंक आया है।
ये देखो हमारा रोलशॉप का एसओपी, स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रैक्टिस, इसको ओपन करना है। एसओपी, एसएमपी और कॉम्पिटेंसी टेस्ट का भी लिंक है।
अच्छा, टेस्ट भी देते हैं आप?
टेस्ट भी। ये हो गया आपका एसओपी, एसएमपी और कॉम्पिटेंसी टेस्ट का अगर आपको देना है तो ये देखिए लिंक। ये है हम लोग का कॉम्पिटेंसी टेस्ट का विंडो। इसको नेक्स्ट करने के बाद नाम और पर्सनल नंबर फिल करना है। उसके बाद 15 to 20 नंबर का क्वेश्चन आएगा। ओके, जिसका आंसर देने के बाद सबमिट करना।
ये तो बढ़िया आइडिया है। कुछ हार्ड कॉपी की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सब कुछ सिस्टम में है। पेपर भी बच जाएगा और क्लासरूम जाना भी नहीं पड़ेगा। हर साल हमारा टेस्ट भी हो जाएगा, हमारा इम्प्रूवमेंट टेस्ट भी हो जाएगा। ये तो बहुत बढ़िया आइडिया है।
अरे हाँ, ऐसा ही है, जो तुम बोल रहे हो बिल्कुल सही है।
बढ़िया, हम जाते हैं।
ठीक ठीक है।
SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has been making all-out effort to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Recently, a special sensitization cum sanitization drive has been launched, which is being carried out at every entry point of the plant. Different departments of RSP are engaged in sensitizing the employees, especially at Sanskar Gate and Main Gate, on a rotational basis. On 7th May, Mr. Rambabu, CGM Blast Furnace, and Mr. S. Mahapatra, GM in charge shops, led their team at Sanskar Gate and Main Gate respectively in sensitizing employees. The employees of Blast Furnace and shops displayed placard with regard to COVID-19 preventive measures and downloading Arogya Setu, a mobile application developed by the Government of India to connect essential health service with the people of India. Hand sensitization was carried out by the employee of Fire Service Department and employee deployed by the Personnel Department. It may be noted that the effort aims at increasing and improving awareness about coronavirus among the employee, contract labor and other stakeholders entering the plant premises. With this, we come to end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.